In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block spam calls on an iPhone. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more iPhone tips. Now, spam calls can be very annoying and very disruptive, but here's how you can stop them for good. Begin by finding the phone app and opening it up. Click on this little recents option right here. And if you see the number that does keep calling, simply go ahead and select it, for example. Scroll down and then there's going to be this block caller option. Simply click on that and then hit block contact again to confirm it. If the same number isn't always calling, what you can do is silence all unknown numbers. To do this, go ahead and exit out of the app and open up settings. Scroll down until you see the phone option on here. You may have to click on the app section and then scroll down just a little bit until you see it. But after getting on the phone option, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is just scroll down again until you see the option that says silence unknown callers. Click on that and tick it on. With this on, calls from numbers not in your contacts list are going to go straight to voicemail. But it really is as simple as that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.